Welcome, here I've got TCL 20 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can find the watermark option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture to see this watermark at the real photo. Now we have to move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our picture with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. So this is how it looks like, TCL 20 Pro 5G, display greatness, and of course when you don't need it, you have to go back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, slide down to the general category and tap the watermark button to turn it off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.